Johnny kissed the teacher, he's a bird. He tiptoed up to reach her, he's a bird. He's a teacher's pet now, he's a owl. What he wants he can get now, what a howl. Even made the teacher let him sit next to my baby, he's a bird dog. Hey bird dog, get away from my quail. Hey bird dog, you're on the wrong trail. Bird dog, you better leave my lovey-dove alone. Hey bird dog, get away from my chick. Hey bird dog, you better get away quick. Bird dog, you better find a chicken that'll love you